Hello, welcome back to my channel. I always wanted to try an intro like that. There's a young woman who has a pet channel, mostly lizard and snake stuff. She has the most amazing and funny intros, man. That kid absolutely connects with the camera. And every now and then she'll start her intro with a hello. Welcome back to my channel. And it's like, dang, man, is she 21 years old, a 21-year-old kid? Or does she have a syndicated nationwide cable program? Man, some of these young people are amazing. And it got me to thinking, a PSA for you young single hams. Please note, the better looking she is, the more filled with self-doubt she is, and the more likely she'll date you, man. You ugly ass old ham radio toad. She'll date you, man. I explained it before. The better looking she is, the better your odds. And with that, a PSA for the young single ham. If you meet a girl that's into this shit, yeah, I don't know about marrying her, man. I did. But at least date her a few times.
Freakazoids, robots, please report. Freakazoids, robots, please report to the dance floor.
That's what I'm talking about, man. Meet a girl that's into this shit, you're in for some fun. You ready, man? You ready, man? I'm thinking of doing a birth of a contest video tonight. It being the ARRL International DX Contest CW version. Without argument, the most wild DX contest of the year by any organization. I was thinking about doing a QRP assault, but man, honestly, I'm bored with it, man. I'm just bored of QRP lately. And I explained how in another rig, I disconnected the PA section from the power supply and I broke it out the back so that I could run the PA section independently, its supply. And by doing so, I could crank it down to a few milliwatts. And I've been reluctant to do that with this Yaesu, and instead I'm going to build an attenuator so that I can crank the Yaesu down to 5 watts, and I want the attenuator to output 1 watt and 0.1 watts. So when I do that, man, I'm going to get back into the QRP frenzy, you know. I'm just bored with it, man. So anyway, I'll be doing a birth of a contest video. And looking for another girl that's into this. Oh yeah, yes you can. Come on, man, be my little red-headed freakazoid. 73.